So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have just this one question to answer on the topic chemical and physical changes. So guys, in short to stay till the end of this video, as this is very important in your preparation for your JAMB. Also, if you want to answer any question here before we provide the answer, you can always pause the video and try out to see if you can get the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So let's quickly start with the question here. It says, the addition of water to calcium oxide leads to. So A here is physical change, B is the formation of a mixture, C is an endothermic change, and D is a chemical change. So guys, the answer to this question is a chemical change. And that's because in the addition of water to calcium oxide, a new substance will be formed. So let's just quickly zoom in right here and show the reaction here. So guys, this is calcium oxide. And when you add water to it, the product of this reaction will be calcium hydroxide. So guys, that's the answer to this question. A new substance will be formed in this reaction here, and that's what denotes a chemical change. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also encourage you to join our YouTube channel membership in order to get access to premium information on JAMB updates. So this will help you a lot in your preparation for your JAMB this year. So guys, that will be all for today. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.